Hi, this is Monty from Eyelash Flavor. In today's video, I'm going to go over all the details and the facts about our online training course. I'm going to go over what's included, what to expect, and why online training may be the best option for you. So stay tuned to find out more information. Our online training course is very hands-on. It comes with over 20 different training videos, so you will be able to see every single aspect of eyelash extensions. Our videos cover isolation, placement, hand placement, lash table setup, taping down your client, the do's and don'ts, how to do a lash bath. If you need extra assistance, you will also be able to submit a request for an extra video. You will have access to the course for 6 weeks, so you will be able to watch the videos over and over and over again as many times as you need to get it down. You will also be able to directly contact me through the course, through email, through phone, or through FaceTime if you have any trouble. You will have quizzes and you will have to submit tests along the way. You will be able to talk to the other students in the training and share your progress. Our online training comes with a kit. The kit will include everything that you need to practice, and it will also include everything that you need to do a real client. Literally, everything that you will learn in an in-person class, you will learn in this online class. If you need additional assistance, you will be able to attend classes in your area. So if you're a mom, if you're a student and you don't have time to attend a class, or if you work too much, you don't have time, this class will be great for you because you can take it at your own pace. You can do eyelashes full-time or part-time or just for extra money. We also have an online refresher available for students who have taken a lash class in the past and need extra assistance. When you're finished with the course and all the assignments, you will receive a certificate of completion. To sign up for our online training, all you have to do is visit the website www.eyelashflavor.com, and that's the letter I, lashflavor.com. Go to our online training and select the option that you would like. You will receive access to the training within 48 hours after registering online. So become your own boss today. Start training with Eyelash Flavor.